This 2027 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.